So I decided to give this Rustoleum Professional High Performance Enamel a shot. It says tough enough for industrial applications, so we'll see how it goes. They didn't have the normal automotive aluminum that I like to use, so I'll try something new. So the way that we want to do this is we're going to do one coat across, and then we're going to do one coat down, and then we're going to do one coat across, and then we're going to do one coat up. So it's 4 coats essentially. We're going to do black insets, and then we'll do clear afterward, but the black insets would be next. So what we'll do next is, I've got all of the valve stems at 12 o'clock. And so what we'll do next is we'll turn all the valve stems to 3 o'clock, and then we'll turn them all to 6 o'clock, and then we'll turn them all to 9 o'clock. And that way we'll know that we've gotten them all in the same direction. That allows us to work this way every time, but actually get a different angle on it. So, I don't have to, come from this side and this side. It just makes the job easier. So we'll let these dry for a few minutes, and then we'll come back and do some more. All right, I've got all the valve stems set to 3 o'clock now. So we'll go ahead and we'll apply our next coat. I'm getting a little overspray on this tire here, but that's okay. I can always use some kerosene or something to get the paint off the tire. No big deal. All right, I've hit all of the tires with some clean strip, which just took off all the overspray, so clean up the tires a little bit. And now I've got all the valve stems set to 6 o'clock, and we'll do another coat. All right, let's get these stems set to 9 o'clock and put our last coat on. All right, our aluminum spray paint has dried, which is great. It's dried at the touch. And now what we're going to do is we're going to try to paint the cutouts here black, as the sort of traditional Rostyle dictates. I don't know how this is going to go. I'm not a very good painter, but I'm just going to try for now to do this cutout area. So I'm using this same Rustoleum black satin. It's what I've been using for other areas of the car that need to be painted black, such as behind the grille and some other things. Where do you stop? How much do you do? Take my time and do what seems definitely need a smaller brush. Smaller brush and more patience. Not bad for DIY. Alright, 1 down, 4 to go. Okay, well, it took me a few hours, but I think they came out reasonably well. Not bad for DIY. So we'll let these cure up overnight, and then tomorrow we'll add the MG badges and I'll throw a coat of clear over it. Whew. What a job. Alright, here we are after letting them sit for the night. I just went over with a very small paintbrush, almost like a kid's watercolor art brush, basically, and just really kind of went around all the little edges and made sure that I got, you know, all of the spots that had made it through drying last night. So generally speaking, I'm pretty happy with how the black turned out. I think it probably would have been easier to tape it or mask it in terms of painting, but taping with pinstripe tape would have taken forever. And I think probably those masks maybe would work, but you can't seem to get those anymore. So anyway, this is what we've got now, and just gonna wait for my touch-ups to dry, and in about 15 minutes I'm gonna spray some clear. Alright, so here's one of the wheels with a badge. And I haven't stuck it on yet. I'm gonna try to get it as perfect as possible. They're just, you know, these were definitely a splurge, but I think they really are going to help to complete the look of the tire. So, you know, with the cutouts and the MG logo and, you know, cleaned up tire all the way around, these are going to look pretty smart. So, yeah. Alright, finished product. Not bad for DIY. I actually think they come out pretty awesome looking for what they are. Yeah. Definitely looking good. Alright, so here we can see the nicely painted Rostyle wheel on the rear driver's side. Looking good. The front, still have the car on jack stands for a little bit longer, but yeah, these look pretty awesome. Really happy with how they came out. I think they look great, and you know, they really add to the sportiness of the car. So, you know, when people say it's the little things, I'd say this was a big thing. Happy I did it. Alright, time for the next project.